Hey guys, how you doing? It's Chris Johnson with WMST Motorcycle Training. I just wanted to share with you some interesting things that are going on here today at WMST, our training site location in Everett. What we have today is we have over here behind me, we have a freewheel motorcycle class setting up. All right, there's bigger cones for the freewheel class over there. We're going to have a experienced rider class going on with all those motorcycles over there. All right. And behind me on this side here, we have a basic rider class that's finishing up. They're about to do their permit test, all right, which is kind of exciting. And that's just some of the things that we do here. We're very lucky. We have a fantastic facility here in Everett. We have other places too. We're based in Auburn. We're based in Silverdale, and believe it or not, all the way down in Aberdeen. All right, and please look us up. We'd like to help you in any way that we can to get that permit or that endorsement. All right, look the website up, go.wmst.com. And we look forward to seeing you on a beautiful day like this in the near future. Thank you very much.